Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high curly bun, which is perfect for weddings. To start, we're going to create a circle of hair in the middle of the head, leaving a few inches all around the hairline. Clip this section out of the way for later, and all we're going to do is secure all that hair that's hanging down into clips so it doesn't get in our way. Release that circle section down again, and we're going to divide this in half from left to right, and we're going to secure that top part into a small clear elastic band to create a ponytail. Divide the bottom part into 2 more ponytails, so you should have 3 ponytails. I've taken a hair donor and just cut it up to create some small strips of padding, and I'm just going to wrap these around the elastic bands of each one of those ponytails and then just secure them with a few bobby pins as you go. Next, all we're going to do is curl all of those ponytails using a curling tong. Release the rest of the hair from the clips, and we're going to section off the front of the hair, probably from about the arch of the eyebrow on both sides, and just clip this off for later. Then gather up your curls and clip them on the top of the head so they're out of the way. Next, we're going to curl all of the hair that's left hanging down away from the face. Release that front section, and I'm going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and I'm just going to add this all over the roots to that front section. Now, taking thin slices of hair, I'm just going to add a touch of back combing to about 1 inch of the roots, just to give this style a little bit of lift. Smooth this front section all the way back and use your comb just to smooth out the top layers as you go. Now I'm going to take some texture spray. Again, I'll pop this in the description for you. And we're just going to spray it all over that front section and use our fingers to gently pinch and pull at little pieces of hair to create some movement. Then use a couple of bobby pins and pin this to the padding at the top ponytail. I've left some hair out around the face, and I'm just going to take some small sections of hair right next to that front section, pop a little back combing by the roots, and then we're literally going to drape it across that top ponytail so it reaches the opposite side, and again pin this into that padding to keep it secure. Add a bit more of your texture spray and pinch and pull at the hair just to create some more movement. You can add a little bit of hairspray to help things stay in place, and then we're simply going to repeat this on the opposite side. So leave some hair out around the hairline, take a small slice of hair and back comb it, and then drape it over that top ponytail to the opposite side. Pin it in place with a bobby pin or 2, add some texture spray, and then pinch and pull at the hair to match the volume on the opposite side. Now gather all those curls onto the top of the head and clip them out of the way for later. And we're just going to work our way around the head, taking small sections. So starting on all the hair above the ear on the left hand side, I've popped a bit of back combing in. Pull this towards the bun padding and secure with a couple of bobby pins. And again, add some texture spray and pinch and pull at the hair. And repeat this on the right hand side. Now, take a section from the bottom left hand side and again, add a couple of inches of back comb. I've left a few more pieces of hair out around the neckline for a bit of softness. And we're going to pull this straight up and join it next to the previous section. Add your texture spray and pinch and pull at that hair. And then repeat this on the right hand side. So leave a little bit of hair out, back comb the hair, bring it up to meet the last section and pin it in place. Add some texture spray and pinch and pull. Split that remaining hair in half and we're going to do the same steps. So leave a couple of pieces of hair out around the hairline and back comb the roots. Bring this up to meet the bun padding on the right hand side and pin it into place using a couple of bobby pins. Then just repeat that on the last section, pinning it to the left hand bun padding. Add some texture spray and pinch and pull so it matches the rest of the hair. Now we're going to release all the hair down and we've still got some straight bits from that front section, so I'm just going to quickly curl those. Now, taking small sections of hair, I'm going to start off by filling in the front of this bun. So I've taken a curl in my hand and rolled it towards the front of the head. Apply some texture spray and again, to create a bit of volume, we're going to pinch and pull. And then simply pin it down to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And we're just going to repeat this process by taking those curls and rolling them towards the front of the head, alternating the direction a little bit as we go so they're not all facing the same way. Apply your texture spray, pinch and pull and pin in place. Once you've got all your pins placed to create the front of the bun, we're just going to fill out the middle section. So take another bit of hair, again roll it around so it's facing in a different direction. Add some texture spray and pinch and pull for a bit of volume, and then just pin to the head. Now I'm going around to work on the side sections and I'm going to leave out various pieces of hair just to create some soft curls that are loose. So again, I've rolled this up to meet the previous curl, but making sure that I place it in a different direction. And we're just going to keep working our way down the bun, alternating those curls as we go, making sure to pinch and pull to create some more texture. So I'm just working on the bottom of the bun now, and again we're going to take a section of hair, roll it under, and then make sure you pinch and pull. And this last little section I'm just rolling it all the way under the bun, securing with some bobby pins, and again pinching and pulling. Then just curl any hair that's hanging down. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more tutorials.